we are putting so much pressure on ourselves to be perfect in this platform, in this venue. Everybody's new. Everybody's figuring out how to do this. We all feel like idiots at the beginning. And we think that there can't be connection, that we can't get to know each other, that when I'm driving down the highway and I feel a car starting to kind of come into the other lane, it's on the other side of me. It's not even in the driver's side, it's the passenger side. I feel it because the car becomes kind of a part of you. It becomes something that you feel three-dimensionally, that's bigger than your body. And these Zoom screens can do that. We can start to have an understanding of each other in this size, in this three-dimensional way, and we can expand what it means to us. We can play games that near, and we all go near. Let's just open up the space that we have. Near. Let's go to where our head is touching the top of the screen and our chin is touching the bottom. Great. Now, when I yell near, that's where we'll go. Oh, beautiful. Look at these faces. Near. Oh, yay. What nice faces. And far. Near. What would happen if we stood up? Does anybody can't stand up? Can we all like just have a little bit of room? That's okay. And if you can't stay seated, that's fine. Just be where you are and do the best with your head. You got plenty of room. That's awesome. I just want to be able to spread it a little bit. And when you got the little kids, you're definitely going to see if they can get, so near, far. Let's try near again. Near. And far. And with the lag and through an online platform, I am going to let people get to where they should be before I move on to the next thing. In the room, I would play something like this much faster. Now, we're far right now. What if I say near red light, green light, red light, all the way to your nose touching the camera, green light, red light, green light. Ah! Okay. Then you could do things like, if I say Superman, you could do stuff like that. You could say downstairs, upstairs. I'm not going to make you guys do that right now. But you create a thing like that for the kids, and they start thinking of, oh, I can do my funny stuff. I can do like I'm going down the stairs, like I would behind the couch, like my dad does behind the couch. We just get them thinking about it in a different way. And not just thinking about this classroom, but thinking about space. But we want to be able to take up space and give space and be thinking about that. And in a room, we can feel the other people, and there are chemicals that are affecting us. Certain people might make us more nervous than other people, or there's just all kinds of things that happen in a room that make us the way we are. We need to be able to take up space in this too. If my students have the tools to express themselves in this platform, then I don't have to be doing all the expressing. And right now, our students need to be able to express themselves.